In this video, we'll show you how to scan your Asus laptop for viruses or malware. So to do this, first head to the search menu and then type in Windows Security. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the Windows Security app, you need to go to this Viruses and Threat Protection tab on the left. Now here you should see this Quick Scan option. You can also select the scan options and then select full scan if you want to run a thorough scan or a deep scan. So this is the most recommended one if you want to completely check your laptop for viruses and malware. Once you have selected it, simply click on the scan now option. Now you'll have to be patient. This might take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to complete. The good thing is you can continue using your laptop as usual during this time, or simply leave it plugged in overnight. After the scan is complete, Windows Security will tell you if there are any viruses found. If they are detected, it will also give you the option to remove them directly from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.